In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply algebraic terms using the Chinese method, also called the stick multiplication. I like this method because it represents a visual way of multiplication. To begin, say we want to expand this single bracket, x open bracket x plus 2. The first thing is to recognize that if we multiply linear expressions, we will get a quadratic polynomial. We are going to draw parallel lines. So for the first one, x, we've got our solid line. For the other linear expression, x plus 2, for the first term, x, we'll draw a line going in the opposite direction, leave a gap, and then draw two lines. So next, where the lines intersect, you can group and circle the dots representing the constant, the middle term, and the power. Next, we are going to add the dots in the constant region. Since there is no intersection there, it is just 0. For the middle term, there are two dots, so it will be 2x. And for the power term, there's only just one dot, so it will be x squared. So the final answer here is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 0. Okay, next. I have another example there. So x open bracket x minus 2. We are going to do the same thing. So we need to recognize that when we multiply these two linear expressions, we'll get a quadratic polynomial. So to represent x, we are going to draw a solid line. And for the other linear expression, x minus 2, we are going to draw our lines going in the opposite direction. So for the first term, x, it will be like this. For minus 2 here, we are going to draw two dotted lines to represent the negative minus 2. So we'll leave a space and then two dotted lines. Next, where the lines intersect, you can group and circle the dots representing the constant, the middle term, and the power term. We are going to add the dots in the constant region. Since there is no intersection there, it is 0. For the middle term, since there is an intersection of the solid term and the negative terms, we will say minus 2x. And then for the power term, one dot, it is a solid x squared. So our answer, it is going to be x squared minus 2x plus 0.